Sinigang?
Vegetable. But we call it in Filipino sinigang beef. This time I put beef because last time we cooked pork. This time I'm cooking beef. So guys, if you want to know the secret of this, you need to follow me and subscribe and like my channel.
My wife is cooking! Woo, woo, woo. I did. My wife is cooking. How do you turn this thing? Yeah, because my phone's cool. I got a Samsung S20. What?
Oh my god. Tastes so heaven. Oh my god.
All we need now is a wait.
I'll be telling you how to keep your love alive with your husband.
I can't wait.
Cook for him. Especially if you're Filipina, you need to know some Filipino dish. So your husband will have experience what is Filipino dish, and he gonna like you and love you.
You know what I'm pointing at.
I know. Why not?
What? Okay, signing off.
Bye-bye.